Hello, friends. We are back to Wellness to Wealth time. So, today we just want to ask some questions, lay some foundations. So, here we are here to talk about our health, what we need to do, what have we been doing. Some people don't even do anything. So, as a human being, you need to check on yourself, at least the basic ones. First of all, you need to check your blood pressure at least every day. Some days you might skip it, but the real aspect of it. But the major thing is check it every day to know your numbers so that when you start having issues, you'll be able to know. Also, you need to check your sugars if you're dealing with diabetes, both type 1 and type 2. And also, some people think that lab work is for sick people. No, dear, it's not. Everyone needs to do like a yearly lab check to know your lab work. What is going on within you? Are you lacking anything? Is there something that you need to take care of? Because most times, many illnesses, when caught on time, they will be handled. But when they are caught late, that's what leads to, death or maybe the person will be sick most of the time. But I tell you, you got to check your blood pressure. You have to check your blood sugar. You also have to check your lab work. Do some dental checkup, some eye checkup, what is going on. And something like the eyes, something like a glaucoma of the eyes, you can't feel anything until it is late. And when you start having those signs, it's at the late stage. Just from time to time, pamper yourself a little bit. Do some checks on your body. Check your labs, check your vitals, do some dental checkup, do some eye checkup, and also have a doctor check on you. Have a primary doctor. Some of us who are living in a developed country, some companies, you can't work there if you don't have a primary doctor. They want you to have one. If you don't have one, they will assign one to you. But some of us who are living like in some African country where it's not necessary, it's not some people don't consider it, we really need to go in and find somebody to check those labs for us. And there we have so much opportunity to, go in a lab, pay and do those labs. Yes, it's costly. Yes, because you are precious. And to be frank with you, if you check how much you spend on making sure you wear good clothes, that you put on a good hair or put on a good, makeup, you find out that you spend so much on those. And those are not as important as your health. Please, you need to check on your health. Some people have started, but some people have not started. So all we want you to do is to, put in a comment if you're having trouble doing those things, or maybe ask us how to start, what to do, and we'll give you some little directions how to get to the lab, how to, consult a doctor to check on you. And to be frank with you, the cancer survivor patients, they are the ones who were diagnosed at the early stage. The people who get to the last stage, they don't make it. Don't get to the last stage of a disease to be discovered. Find it out early. Some testicular cancers or the prostate cancers, when they're caught early, people live with it more than 30 years. I've seen some patients live with it more than 30 years. They live their normal life because it was caught on time and they were able to get the treatment on time. Also, the breast cancer. As a woman, do go for the yearly mammogram. That is very, very important. You need to take care of yourself. Just go for that. If you're having issues with this, reach us through the comments and we'll be able to maybe direct you right. on how to get to the lab and get the doctor. Thank you, and remember rest and look out for the next section.